Hello, I'm Clare and I'm here in the Fat Quarter Shop studio today, and it's lovely to be here with you all. I'm going to talk to you about my Wildflowers booklet. I love wildflowers, I'm sure you do too, and we've got a lot in England still, which is really lovely to see. And you have to go find them, you have to know where they are. Some of them are well kept secret, they're not just everywhere. So I really enjoy taking my lovely dog Betty out into the wildlife and seeing what we can find. So this is what's the inspiration behind this book. So all of my patterns are full-sized. So you've got all the full-size flowers in here. There's 12 flowers that makes this really pretty, delicate quilt for you. Lots of instructions, lots of things to help you make it. Good instructions, good patterns. And I've also included my sketchbook pages. So this is about the snowdrops, which I think are beautiful, and they're the first hope that spring is actually coming after the winter, the first things we see. So this is a snowdrop page. And each page has its own illustrations of the flower and a little bit of information and a good photograph to help you when you come to stitch your own. So there's 12 flowers. Lovely, lovely book. It was an absolute joy to make this one. It was so much fun. Lots of ideas for free motion stitching or embroidery, however you like. Lots of good instructional page here. And then all the templates are in the back. And that is my lovely dog Betty. She's sweet. Lots to help you. So there you are. I hope you enjoy making your own wildflower quilt. You can get the booklet right here at the Fat Quarter Shop.